Friends, if your YouTube channel is monetized, you would know when you click here on the earn section, you will be shown this YouTube partner program option where your AdSense account will be connected. Okay. I'm sure you would know what Google AdSense account is. If not, I'll take 30 seconds to explain. So you have your YouTube monetized YouTube account. Okay. Which means it is in good standing and you have got the required number of hours and subscriber, or you have a blog post which brings traffic to Google platform because you're doing that. Okay, so the advertisers they compete for that space, and when advertisers run any ad on YouTube or your website, you get a commission out of that ad. Okay, so for you to check, this is the section drive revenue. Okay, you can check the region where you are. Okay, say North America, and you select the category what your focus is. Okay, and you can just calculate the revenue which it can bring based on the number of views. Okay, you can write the number of views what will come, and here it is showing the revenue what estimate you can make it happen. Okay, so we'll go back to the video again. I've hidden the details here, but you can see that the AdSense account will be shown here. Okay, now for some reason you want to change your individual account to a business AdSense account. Okay, what I'm showing you here is having a live individual account which is on a separate email ID, and a live business account which is another AdSense account on a different email ID. Now, YouTube allows you to change this detail without any issue if both are live. If it is not live, then you'll have to follow a different process for which I have made a video. The link is in the description, and you can also go and check this on my website. Okay, so first question many people have is what happens to my money which YouTube has been showing so far? Whatever money you have earned, that will come to your account after transfer also. YouTube will settle money into the account which is currently set up. If it is individual, it will come to individual. If it is business, it will come to business. And the next month cycle onwards, right? The money will start coming into the account which you are adding new. So I hope this clears any doubt you have. Even still you have any doubt, use the comment section and I'll be more than happy to share more information. So on your YouTube partner program option, you will see this change. Okay, so once you click on the change, you will be prompted verify it's you, and you'll have to proceed with this. Okay, so once you click on proceed here, if you are logging in for the first time in long time, you may have to authenticate that it is indeed you who is logging in. So you'll have to enter your username and password, and here you see you'll be redirected to AdSense account to complete this step. And if you're associating to another active AdSense account, association process usually takes couple minutes. So it's almost going to be instant. Let's see if that is the case. And if you're creating a new AdSense account, the approval and association process usually takes several days, but in some cases it can take 2 to 3 weeks. Monetization will commence when the association is complete. Okay, and there is also one more remark: avoid interrupting your monetization. Check if you can make changes to your existing AdSense account instead. Okay, so that is what I'm showing. There are two accounts, one is individual, the other one is business. How to move from one to another is what we are going to see, and this can only be done once in 32 days. So if you have done any changes and you want to come back to as it is how it was before, you'll have to wait for 32 days. Basic logic is that your monetization, right, that money has to credit to your account, so they have set up in such a way that you don't lose on your monetization, and it's less paperwork for them also. So once that is done, click continue, and here you have to log into your Google AdSense account using your email ID. So once I click, it shows that my account is already linked to a Google product. Okay, so in my case, I just have to continue. So you will have details given here. Check this part for name, address, and all other detail, including currency, and then you click continue. And then you come to this page here, set up account. Then it says redirect to YouTube. So once you go to the Google AdSense page and come to this payment info and settings part, here the AdSense publication number what is mentioned here, same thing is now reflecting on the YouTube also, and that way you know everything is done and automatically the money will come to your bank account whenever the schedule is set up. Okay, so I hope this helps. Thank you guys.